Hello, welcome to Camaro Mods channel. I'm your host Roger. Welcome to season 1. This is a brand new channel. So hit that subscribe button and tell your friends about this channel that love Camaros. This first video will be different from the videos I do in the future. Why? Because the mod on the Camaro is done. We'll be working on a 2012 Gen 5 Camaro RS. The first project we got done is a Rockford Fosgate Subs and a 500 watt amp. We'll be looking at the completed project and crank it up. Then we'll pull the covers off and show how it was installed. But before that, I want to mention that towards the end of this video, we will be opening this box to see what's next on the Camaro mod to be installed. So stay tuned for that. So let's go out to the car and take a look at the subs and the amp. Okay, here's the subs. This box right here can be purchased on eBay. I'll drop a link down below. There's a Rockford Fosgate 500 watt amp, and also the material matches the interior of your car, so that makes it look very custom. These are Rockford Fosgate P3s. And they're the punch. There's very little clearance in here, but it fits in there very nice. Now we'll pull the covers off. We'll see how it was installed. Okay, here's the battery in the back of the car. Your blue wires are your ground and your positive going over to the amp. There's your fuse box right there, and that's also 4-gauge wire running over to the amp. You got to make sure you put that fuse in there. Okay, this black wire you see right here, this is your control wire that goes up to the front of the car, so you can control your subs, your level on your subs. Also, I might mention that over time you might need to come back and check these screws right here, these bolts, and tighten them up, because they was a little bit loose. I've been wanting to check them for a while. So they're good to go now. Okay, now we're going to go turn it on. We're going to play a clip that I got off of YouTube. A video you don't have to worry about copyright. Okay, there you have it. Sounded pretty good. Okay, now it's time to open the box. See what the next mod's gonna be on the Camaro Mods channel. Oracle, premium Oracle Halo kit. This is the afterburner lights that goes on the tail lights. I got 4 of them in here. Also comes with your T connectors for your power wires. This is what it looks like on the screen. So thanks for watching. We'll get this installed soon.